Hello guys, what's up? Immortal Trader here. I hope you had a good weekend. Just a quick one here. I don't take much of your time. So this is S&P 500, the US 500. Depends on what you want to call it. So we're on a weekly chart. So right now we are in a bullish trend. So market has been trending for a long time now. As you know how indices move, they usually trend upwards. So this is what we're looking at on a weekly. Um, Market is trending. Areas of support, this level right here and this level right here. So if at all price breaks this level, I think we'll be looking at going back down to this level and probably coming down and testing the moving average. So right now, this is how the weekly looks like. This is how the daily looks like. You might argue that on the daily we are in a downtrend, and this is just a pullback. Price is still going to come back down, and you might say the same about the 4 hour. So those are the trends, and that's the market structure. Basically, market seems to be trending on the weekly and trending as well on the daily and the 4 hour. What are some significant levels that we're looking forward to? Okay, as for me, I entered a trade somewhere here. I'm usually bullish bias when it comes to indices, and I closed it. I think somewhere here. I'm not really sure. Yeah, and I was looking forward to enter again, but I didn't like the way this candle closed. Some sort of rejection. So what does this tell us overall? Let's jump first to the weekly. This is a significant rejection, guys. I know it doesn't really form the type of maybe falling star or whatever they call it, inverted hammer. How do you say an inverted hammer? Yeah, probably know what I mean. Yeah. So price push up, then got rejected. So this is actually a significant sign that this could be an impulsive move, then it's just a correction, and price is still pushing down, probably to these levels that I pointed out. So this is number one for me. That's what I actually think, considering this close. Um, we can actually see as well from this structure right here, you can argue that this is an impulse, then this is a correction. And I think we could have another move up, probably forming a double top right here, and then another move back down, taking out this level or at this level, and then market decides to range. So that's one thing I'll be looking forward to seeing this week. As well, you might also look at it from a lower time frame. Yeah, you might be looking at something that's going back to retest this area, and it's going to range in this channel. So it depends on how you want to look at it. If I'm looking at shorting this market, I wouldn't short it right now. I think I would wait for, if it does this and finds rejection, I'll probably short this market back down to this level or this level, but I don't short indices. So I think that's how I see it from the bearish side. I think the market still has downward momentum. I think the bears are still in the market. They are not actually out. I don't think this is a bottom. I think we might have a bottom in April, probably mid-March or early April. For me, I see another move down coming back to this area and pushing back up, and yeah, something like this probably. On the bull side, the side that I actually like to be on, I was looking forward to seeing how this candle closes. If it closed bullish, I would have probably entered, and my target would have been retesting this channel. And that's another argument for the bears, actually, that this channel was broken, retested, and now market will continue to make an impulse move. So yeah, I was looking to go long until this area here, but now I have to wait and see how, if the market takes out this level right here. If the market takes out this level, then I think I'll be looking to go long, and yeah, probably that will be my first take profit. Then my second take profit will be all-time highs where market ranged. If I don't see that, then I don't think so. So this is actually a strong level for the bears. So if they lose this level, then I think all these levels right here will be just weaknesses. I don't think these levels are quite strong to hold the bulls. I think the bulls will push the market back to this trend line. Then from there, the bears can actually now come in, pushing it back down, or we might range, or we might continue being bullish. It depends. But yeah, so the bears shouldn't lose this level. The bulls shouldn't lose this level. And that's the fight that I'll be waiting to see going into this week. Yeah. So a push back down again to this level, I'll be looking to go along and probably to that level again, bouncing back to that level. If I see whatever entry trigger that I have. Usually my entry triggers are quite simple. It's just like this trade that I took here will be signs of the bulls coming in. So like this engulfing candle, and wicks rejections at the bottom. Yeah, wicks like this, 1 2 3, but this one was a confirmation for me, so I set my order above. My stop loss was somewhere down there, and then the market went up. So if I see something like that in this area right here, I see an engulfing candle, I see long wicks at the bottom, then I'll go long until to that area, then I'll manage my trade from there. So that's what I'm looking forward to seeing this week. Nothing special. The market is still choppy. A lot of announcements that are coming out, and the market hasn't fully found its grip. So probably after the first tempering announcement, tempering. Yeah, okay, whatever. You understand what I mean. I think it's the same with the NASDAQ. I see this as a sort of rejection. This is actually a nice pattern. If it closed strong bullish candle, if this was a strong bullish candle, this would have been a nice pattern, showing a sign that the bulls are in, and we'll be looking at probably new all-time highs. Yeah, but this, imagine price pushed up and got rejected. It's a sign that the bears are quite in. And don't forget about these guys. You see, it shows you that the bears are still in the market, and price can be pushed back down. If the bears lose this, the bulls lose this level, we'll be looking at price going back to this level right here. So this is the level that the bears shouldn't lose for me, and probably this level right here is the level that the bears shouldn't lose, and this level is the level that the bulls shouldn't lose. If the bulls lose this level, then we'll be pushing the market back down, probably to this area, or this area, and from there I'll be looking to go long. It depends on the sentiment on the market, if my first take profit will be there, or just ride it until all-time highs. So for me, that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm out of the market. I'm not trading anything until I see certain levels being broken, and I see my entry triggers, my entry candles, my entry triggers being printed on the market. If I don't see those, I'm out of the market. So yeah, I think that's it. If there are any questions, you can just let me know. It's the same with the US30. Um, yeah, I think it's the same with the US30. The bears are still in the market, as you can tell. There's just some sort of rejection coming from the top. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. Hit me up.